Let's unbox the Vivo X300 Pro and see what's different about it. This large box has a small handle on top and a small tab here. Let's open it. First, take out the phone itself. Then there's a drawer at the bottom. Pull it out. The panel on the bottom explains what's inside the set: a carrying strap, a protective case, a metal decorative ring, a filter adapter, a lens adapter, and the iconic teleconverter. The Pro also has a teleconverter, which was previously only available on the Ultra. Below are the main components of the set. These two rings are the decorative ring and the filter adapter. This is the teleconverter adapter, this is the camera handle, and finally the teleconverter itself. I'm not sure why this one seems a bit thicker than before. Inside this phone case is the carrying strap for the camera set. It's very thick and has a very nice texture. The included pouch is a spare part. It has two pouches on top. Apparently, a lot of people lost this set. Now let's open the phone. The X300 Pro comes in Wilderness Brown, the 16GB plus 1TB satellite communication, all network compatible version. Hey, just open it up. This is the X300 Pro. It's called brown, but I actually think it's more like titanium, but a bit grayer. Oh, the texture is quite nice, quite elegant. That gray-brown effect gives it a very outdoor feel, right? The overall design is very similar to the X200 Ultra. Look at the right-angled bezels, the large round camera module, the huge periscope telephoto lens, and the straight sides and back panel. The front screen is also straight with a soft cover underneath, presumably made of TPU. Also included is the quick start guide, still using an A-port connector with non-folding pins, a 90-watt flash charge charger, an A to C charging cable, and a SIM card reader. The X300 Pro essentially brings many of the features of the previous generation X200 Ultra down to a lower level. For example, let's compare the entire imaging suite. Do you see how it looks exactly like the X200 Ultra? These are the colors available for the Vivo X300 Pro: Wilderness, Free Blue, and Simple White. This time it's really improved. First, the feel is so good. It feels like petting a cat, with a matte texture that's so relaxing and fingerprint resistant. This one has a slightly mocha finish, giving it a high-end, luxurious feel. Free Blue is incredibly refreshing, with a subtle, fresh feel. The frame also has a matching blue treatment, giving it a completely fresh and classy feel. The entire series features a floating water drop design, which is incredibly delicate, with seamless, smooth transitions. For example, when holding the phone, shooting, and resting your hand on it, it's incredibly comfortable and doesn't feel uncomfortable. The design also features a touch of gold, somewhat like brown. The camera module is smoked black, with the Zeiss T-Star logo. The Wilderness metal frame is brown, giving it a matching finish. The design in this column also utilizes a cold sculpted finish. You can see this part has a slight blue tint, which makes it look different from the Wilderness. It feels more upscale and youthful. White is pure and transparent, like a piece of jade. The frame is silver and also white. The deco section is also silver with white accents. Which color should I choose? I like the Free Blue the most right now. There's also black. Vivo's imaging is still very impressive this time, with the new Zeiss 200 megapixel ABO super telephoto lens and the industry's first Sony LYT-828 main camera. It offers professional 4K video at 120 FPS and cinematic portraits at 4K 60 FPS.